on a mission. A mission. Today is the day.
With revenues in excess of $2.5 billion, there is still much to earn, and this will be fueled by an increase in airlifts, more accommodations, and an improved human capital. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett and his team will be charting a course of growth for the dynamic sector during this fiscal year and beyond.
So we have established our targets, and we have decided that our target will be to secure 5 million visitors by the year 2021.
To achieve this target, starting this summer and winter, almost 3 million seats have been secured out of the main source markets of the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. A multi-destination tourism agreement has also been brokered with Cuba, and a similar agreement is to be signed soon with the Dominican Republic. Under cruise shipping, TUI AG has a new cruise ship that will be home porting in Montego Bay. This brings to 4 the number of vessels which will be home porting in Jamaica.
To increase the room count by 15,000 new rooms, so that we will be standing somewhere at about 45,000 rooms.
That's the goal for the next 5 years, and it begins with adding another 1,200 rooms this fiscal year. Rio Reggae will add 450 rooms, and another 200 will come from the Bahia Principe expansion. Royalton Trelawney will be upgraded to add 225 rooms, and Royal Decameron's capacity will be increased by 150 rooms. Meanwhile, Charisma Hotels and Resorts will increase by 178 rooms. The biggest addition will, however, come beyond winter with the development of a 5,000-room resort by Charisma in Landovery, St. Anne. A contract was signed with the Tourism Ministry in June to facilitate that development.
Today my rise like the sunrise, my bright and my upright, no one can break my vibes.
Crucial to destination assurance, however, is ensuring safety.
To address this critical issue, the Tourism Product Development Company will be collaborating with the Ministry of National Security. 87 district constables are being trained to function under a special arm of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. They will focus on boosting safety and security in resort areas. By year end, another 13 officers will be added to this pool.
No industry can really expand and grow without building out the human capacity. And one of the reasons, for example, that we have not been able to convert much of the wealth that tourism brings is that we also have to build out some top-class managers, sous chefs, and key functionaries in the tourism industry.
So, a tourism hospitality school will be built. Discussions are ongoing with representatives of various tertiary institutions, including the University of Technology and the University College of the Caribbean, to finalize arrangements for the hospitality school. The ministry will also be implementing a raft of training and empowerment programs to bolster the sector's human capital. And come January 2017, a pension scheme for tourism workers will be established.
We want to develop these artisan villages, Mr. Speaker, to create opportunities for the artisan in situ to create his work and to get his prices right there and then.
As part of the continued development of the craft industry, artisan villages will be constructed in the resort areas of Ocho Rios, Montego Bay, Falmouth, Port Antonio, and Negril. Each artisan village will be a one-stop shop for authentic Jamaican food, music, heritage, and craft. Building human capital, targeting new markets, driving multi-destination tourism, and ensuring that the growing tourism sector benefits all Jamaicans. Tourism, an engine of economic growth.
Someone say, I just a nice, yes, Jamaica nice, sweet, sweet paradise, and we not stop live life. I just a nice, yes, Jamaica nice.